Okay, so I've made a couple of iterations, developed a couple of theories on how this name should be pronounced, but I did a bit more research about it, and I've actually found an excellent explanation on what this word actually means. So, first off, the word mana is Polynesian, so from these islands in Polynesia. Mana is actually the name for the spiritual life force energy. So it makes a lot of sense for that creature, that it's got this life force energy in it. It's got a lot of mana. It's kind of like the aura, if you wish. So that's the mana. And then the second part of the word is GARM, and I don't know whether you're familiar with the word GARM, but I found this definition. The word bitch comes from the Norse for female predator. The word for male predator is GARM, G-A-R-M, G-A-R-M. So that means in Norse, male predator, which also makes a lot of sense for that creature, right? So it's a male predator that's got a lot of mana, so Managarmr. And then I'm not sure what the R does there. Suppose they've developed different versions of that animal or creature. So they had the Managarmr A, and then the Managarmr B, and then the Managarmr C. And they stopped at R because it was good enough, and yeah. So Managarmr is essentially how I would say it, because it makes a lot of sense. A male predator with a lot of mana, and it's the R version of it, pretty fully developed, Managarmr. And they might come up with some Managarmrs very soon. We don't know. I hope they do. I can't wait to see the Managarmrs when it'll be completely fully developed. That's my theory. Here it is with you, and do whatever you want with it. Cheers. Thanks for watching.